Meaning of define.
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 Define. The word define means to explain, describe, or clarify the meaning of something. When we define a word, we are essentially providing a clear and concise explanation of its definition or meaning. The act of defining is an important part of communication, as it allows us to convey our thoughts and ideas more effectively. Without a common understanding of what certain words mean, it can be difficult for people to communicate with one another. Therefore, the ability to define words accurately and clearly is essential for effective communication.